Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're making this quick and easy delicious Italian style roasted chicken drumsticks with potatoes. The list of ingredients and a written recipe will be in the description box below this video as always. In a 31 by 21 by 8 centimeters baking dish, put rosemary, thyme, black pepper, garlic powder, salt, wine, cooking oil, and then mix well. Thereafter add the drumsticks, massage with the sauce. After that, set aside. Chop 4 medium potatoes into cubes of about 4 centimeters thick. Add to the chicken and mix well. Chop the onion into thick strips. Add to the chicken Sprinkle the chicken stock powder onto the chicken. And then add water to the flour, mix thoroughly and add to the chicken. Shake the dish to mix well. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Remove from the oven. Serve and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.